This is a repair attempt for a Rebecca Reynolds. Claim number is 0144D as in Delta 662K as in Kilo. You can see that we have got several damaged shingles due to wind on this individual's roof. You can see there are several that are creased, really all over. There's one, 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 there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one right down there. There's one. Beautiful day though. There's one, 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 there's one. Just everywhere. And there's another one. So, of course, we get a repair on this roof, which personally I don't feel that it can be repaired. So we're going to do a repair attempt. I believe State Farm allowed for, let's see, I think it was just a handful of shingles to be repaired. So we're going to do, this is the back slope. This is the right slope. I would say that this slope is probably in the fairest condition. North facing slope usually has more algae accumulation just simply because it's not exposed to as much sun. So we'll do, I got 2 shingles up here, 2 of these new, same manufacturer, same make, model, and color. So we'll do one down here in this valley, and then we'll do, because that'll be the back slope, and then we'll do left slope is probably going to be the fairest. So since that's still technically considered to be the left slope, we'll do one here, and then we'll repair a shingle over here. Hey,
They getting it fixed?
trying to.
Yeah.
They think we can repair it. So I'm doing a video to show that it can't be repaired without damaging the other shingles around it due to the age and the condition. Is your roof still doing good?
Yeah, man, seems to be.
Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, man, you've got my number if you ever need anything. So
Insurance said no to, or?
yeah, we're gonna try to help her out. It needs to be. I mean, it can't be repaired just because of the age. Anytime you lift that shingle to remove and replace another shingle, it's just gonna crease that shingle. So
Do they have a buyer, complain about it or something?
no, it was just they just
Sweeten the pot.
yeah. So
I feel that, brother.
yeah, man. Have a good one, buddy. That was a homeowner that we got his roof approved through his insurance company because he had wind damage. Imagine that. All right, so we're gonna do this one. So 1, 2, 3. All right, so that'll be it. Yep. Now pull through. Got some more. Another nail pull through. There. That was it. All right. You can see when they nailed this shingle, they nailed through the top of this one. So, man, look at that. Look how deteriorated this felt paper is. Wow. Isn't that awesome? So, that must have been from the water intrusion of that wind damaged shingle. It's caused that felt paper to deteriorate. It's the only thing I can think of because it is wet. See? It's awesome. All right. All right, so let's nail that shingle back that we had to take off, or loosen the nails, get that one out. It's crazy. So I'm doing this with one hand. Down there. All right, should be good there. Yep, there. That's good, that's good. All right, let's go get our new shingle. I'm gonna go get that. Break that to get the shingle underneath. By the way, I think this is space decking, which would be code against, you can see this space right here. Space decking, it's against code. So, I mean, realistically, you probably shouldn't perform a repair on this anyway. Without redecking the house due to the code requirement. You know? Again, I'm just trying to work this shingle under here, very gently. I'm gonna go through and re-nail those at the top. I'm gonna take it loose. Very gently trying to work this shingle. There we go. Exposure looks good. All right, you can see the age difference. This is the very same shingle that we took off. See? All right. Nailed through the decking. Nailed through the decking, through the space decking, shot right through it. Let me take that out. Nail right there. See, there's nothing even holding it on because I went right through the decking. Right there, because it's space decking. Let's go. Oh, nailed through the decking because it's space decking. Okay, let's try another one. Space decking. I nailed through the decking. All right, let's try again. All right, so we got our new shingle. You'll notice right here, this shingle's creased. That shingle is creased. That shingle's creased. I mean, can't repair it.